Hi friends, it's Auntie Cuckoo and I am in Dollar Tree where Christmas has arrived, so you know what that means. Let's go shopping. So we'll start with their wall of ornaments. It looks like this year they're dividing things up on different themes. You guys will see above, they've got different labels. So Merry on a few, and then Elegance, and then they have the Christmas florals. So let's start over here. So there's definitely some new things this year. I am seeing a few returners. This year, these little gnomes are new, super cute with the little red plaid hat and outfit. They also have this one that I think is really well done in the gray and red. Of course, the red truck is back from the last couple years, and they did 3 tag style signs. Now last year, these ornaments were similar, but this year they have buffalo plaid behind them. So the snowman is on red, they have Santa on green, and the cute little penguin on black and white. The sleds are back this year. They are on a plastic base and come in the natural burlap and the red. And I do remember these from last year. They are really cute. Nice size ornament, as you can tell. Also comes in the green and Merry Christmas, and they have a cute little faux red door ornament. This one has a little jewel for the handle. They have the mini tree toppers, lots of mini ornaments and bells. And then they have the photo ornaments. These are just little felt characters that you can put a photo in. This store has it in the penguin and Santa. They brought back the little sleds. So this one is Santa, and it also comes in the snowman. And these are new this year. I really like them. So it's kind of like cardboard, but it looks like wood. So it comes in this shape, the longer one, and then the traditional round. They have a few different tinsel candy cane ornaments, the green and red and the white and red. And they brought back their icicles. These are always very popular, and they come with the batteries, so that's a plus. They also have their little elf feet in 2 different colors. And then down below, some really pretty Merry Christmas glitter ornaments in red and gold, and those are a 2-pack. They also brought back the creepy Santa face ornaments, so I'm not a fan, but I know a few people are. And this year they have 4 different hats to choose from. They got on the buffalo plaid wagon and did red and black, and then this one in the white with a bit of gold. Now this is one of my favorite Dollar Tree ornaments, the little metal sleighs. Now you can fit a card in there if you want to give a gift card. I always give these as little additions to gift cards for teachers during the holidays. Comes in the galvanized and the red. Lots of the red and white clip-on birds, and these are new this year in the sequence, and I have to say these look really nice. So it looks like you can reverse it to gold. I like it on the red. It's done on both sides. Nice gold piping, so it's a star. They also have it in a cute little stocking with the fur trim. Down here, a mitten, so cute. And then Santa's hat, and I'm just so glad they did both sides. These are also new this year, little sets of 2 houses. It comes in the red and in the gold. These are very small. They go perfectly with the trailers they brought out last year. Looks like the reindeer are back, and they come in the bronze or dark brown, gold, down here in the white. And then they have these 2 guys that are new this year. So they're just furry little ornaments. It's Santa with the buffalo plaid hat, and then this one is a snowman. I think the snowman's cuter. They also have lots of the faux gifts in gold and red and white and red with white. Over here they have some snowmen, this one with the black hat and this one in the red glitter hat. Lots of the little sets of bells, and these ornaments that I think are really pretty. They have a Christmas tree on green, and then the red star. Lots of glitter bells, red and silver, and then they have the light bulbs in blue, sequins, red, silver, and way up top the gold. They brought back the wreath reindeers, this one in the white. It also comes in gold, and then the wreaths are actually like a brown glitter. They have the text ornaments in peace and believe, and this is new. So cute. It's like one of those little stuffed ornaments. They've got Santa, and then up here it comes in a snowman. They also have the tree toppers in silver and gold. This gold one is my favorite tree topper. We actually use it year after year in my daughter's room. They have the tinsel gifts and bells, and I'm dying over these ornaments. They are a knit sweater print. There are a few slightly different versions, and I'm trying to not buy them all. So this year they did these snowman hats in 3 different fabrics. They have the plaid, and then red and black buffalo plaid, and a white and black buffalo plaid. They brought back the little round ornaments on the plaid. So they've got the reindeer and the snowflake, and then the Christmas tree. The only thing I don't like about them is that that's the back. It's just cardboard. They also have a few fun 3D shaped ornaments. So they have the round, this one in the ball, and then behind it they did a really cute little star. I also just found it in the Christmas tree, and these are new this year. I really like them. This one is a traditional ornament shape with Merry Christmas in the galvanized metal. They're a good size flat ornament. This one in the bell, but this is like a particle board on the back. So it looks like they brought back the metal bells. I have quite a few of this white one. Then they did a few little word ornaments. This one in joy. It also comes in Noel, and in the black and white buffalo plaid in peace. And this is where the ornaments sort of switch over to the elegance selection. So they have a lot of silver. They brought back the rhinestone snowflakes that I think are beautiful. Comes in the silver and in the white. And this is new this year. It's a iridescent ballerina. Now she's in 2 different poses. So her skirt is fur. It needs fluffed. I like this pose, but I'm not a fan of this one, and I don't know why. Up here they brought back the pearl ornaments. It comes in the star, the Christmas tree, and the round. They did some very large silver glittery poinsettias, and then they have the reindeer bust, and up top there's a few with some mirror jewels that you guys can see. Looks like somebody's already picked up quite a few. They have the snowflake in metal in white. They also have this snowflake in plastic, but it is so pretty. It comes in a lighter blue and also in a darker blue. And then they did this one that's kind of like a 3D. It's very well done. So pretty, and it's 2-sided, which is really nice. They have some silver stars. The wings are back. So I'm seeing them in rose gold. And then they did the little churches again this year. So far in the gold and then in the white. Down here they have more wings. These are the white, and then they have some more stars in the white. And then up here they have some more poinsettias. These are like a creamy white, and I take it back. The ballerina comes in 3 versions, and I think this one's probably my favorite. So there you go. There's my critique of the new Dollar Tree ballerina ornaments. They have a lot of gold to choose from. On top they've got a cross and a reindeer, and then these are more of a rose gold poinsettia, but they have it grouped with all of their gold items. And I have to say, this is much more of a gold ornament. So looks like these little churches come in 2 different kinds of gold. Some gold wings in the back, and then they have the instruments and the notes. Now we'll take a quick look at their floral. I have to show you guys these branches. These are so well done, really heavy plastic, and they really do look like they got snowed on. They also have these that they're nice. They're not as nice as the white ones, but these look like a brown branch that got snowed on. A little bit of iridescent glitter on those. Lots of floral to choose from.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light, while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, we're chasing snowflakes as they're falling down, and follow Rudolph all across the town. Later we meet under the mistletoe.
Brought back their plastic nutcrackers from last year. I like these so much more than the wooden ones. I think the detail on them is so nice, and it looks like there's 6 different ones to collect. And this whole section is elf items. So they have a tinsel hanging elf, and then the stocking in the elf. They also have a felt elf. I think this guy was out last year. And then a couple of signs. So Santa's elves see everything. And this one in the season to be jolly. Down below they have all of the green and red baskets. And then these little tinsel elves. And then the stuffed elves all over here. So the Christmas trees are back this year with a new addition. This year it comes in the white and iridescent and the green, so a new one to keep your eye out for. So this store did a whole end cap of decorate mini tree items. They have the packs of the ornaments in all kinds of red and silver and gold. They have one of the tree toppers on one of the trees set up with a skirt on it. And there are some new skirts to choose from. This one was out last year with the red with the white fur, but this year they put out a red and black buffalo plaid with the white fur trim. They also have the little mini red truck ornaments with bottle brush trees, the snowflakes, and some stars. So this whole little end cap is the LED lights, and then they have the color changing LED candles. Looks like they come in silver, gold, and in the red glitter. But what caught my eye was this DIY LED house. So it's a folding paper house, and then it comes with a tea light. It also comes in a candy shop. So I hope you guys enjoyed coming with me to Dollar Tree to see what was new for Christmas. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you back very soon.